Disabling two-factor authentication on Stash can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to easily turn off this security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Stash website or open the Stash app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the Profile menu or Settings icon. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Within the Account Settings, look for a section labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it to access your security options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, you should see an option to disable two-factor authentication. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Save changes. Before changing your settings, use the sharp.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on Stash. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.